Students, you are given this question. Find the area bounded by y-axis and the parabola x is equal to 5 negative 4y negative y squared. So usually we used to do the questions with reference to x-axis changing, but here they say y-axis is changing. So the area formula would be integral y changes, say y is equal to a to y is equal to some b, and it's going to be dy here, but inside you need to write x. So this would be the required area. Now I need to find the limits for y-axis. So what I'm going to do is put x is equal to 0. So that would mean I would have 5 negative 4y negative y squared is equal to 0, which I rewrite it as y squared positive 4y negative 5 equal to 0. Now I need to solve this. Now you can solve it either by quadratic formula or by factorization. Now I feel comfortable with quadratic, so I rewrite this as y equal to negative b, which is going to be 4 plus or minus root of 4 squared negative 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a, which is negative 4 plus or minus root of 16. Negative negative is positive. 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 2, which is negative 4 plus or minus 16 added with 20 will give you root of 36 divided by 2, which is negative 4 plus root of 6. In other words, root of 36 will give you 6. So the root is going to be 1y1 is going to be 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, or y is equal to negative 4 negative 6 divided by 2, which is negative 10 divided by 2, which is negative 5. So you got 2 points of intersection. One is 0, 1 and the other is 0, negative 5. So if you were to draw or plot the points, now 0, 1 would be somewhere over here. Okay, so this is 0, 1, and 0, negative 5 should be somewhere over here, 0, negative 5. So the graph would be something like this. So you are expected to integrate lower limit to upper limit. So lower limit is negative 5, upper limit is 1, and you need to place for x and integrate it with reference to dy. So this is going to be negative 5 to 1, x is 5 negative 4y negative y squared times dy. If you were to integrate this, you would get 5y negative 4y squared divided by 2 negative y cubed divided by 3. The limits are negative 5 to 1. So you place the upper limit, 5 of 1 is going to be 2. So 2 of 1 squared negative 1 cubed of 3. This is for the upper limit, minus lower limit, which is going to be 5 of negative 5, negative 2 times of negative 5 squared, negative of negative 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 3. So this is going to be 5, negative 2, negative 1 over 3, negative 5 times 5 would give you 25 with a negative sign. This is going to be positive 25, times 2 would give you 50, but the sign is negative, followed by negative 125. The sign is negative, so it's going to be positive 125 divided by 3. Okay, now this is equal to 5 negative 2 will give you 3, negative 1 over 3, negative 25 with negative 50 is negative 75, positive 125 divided by 3. Now this is 3 negative 1 over 3. So I can take the LCM here. So that's going to be 9 negative 1 followed by negative sign. If I were to take the LCM as 3, this is 15, 1, 21, 22 with the negative sign added with 125. Now negative 225 added with 125. This will give me 0. This will give me 0. and this will give me 1. So it's going to be negative 100. So I can rewrite this as 8 divided by 3, negative of negative 100 divided by 3, which is 8 divided by 3, positive 100 divided by 3, which is 108 divided by 3. Now this is going to be 36 because 3 divides 10 3 times, you carry 1, and 6 times 3 is 18. So the area is 36 square units.